Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some easy, simple tips on how to create the best flawless volume and mega volume lash fans. Before we get into this video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. I appreciate the support. If you find anything helpful in this video, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, any concerns, drop those in the comments as well. I'm very timely in my responses. If you like the video, hit the like button, and lastly, don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So let's get to it. As a beginner lash artist, creating handmade volume fans gave me the business. I thought I sucked, this was too hard, maybe I haven't practiced enough, oh, I'm gonna be using easy fans and pre-made fans for the rest of my life. But you know what? It had nothing to do with my skill set. It had everything to do with the quality of the products that I was using. When you are trying to make volume lash fans, two things that are very important are making sure that you are using quality lashes and that you are using quality tweezers. Finding the right products can be hard, it can get expensive, but one thing that I am always saying and always sharing with beginner lash artists, any lash artist, is you have to make investments in your business. That includes trying and buying new products and finding the one that works best for you and your clients. What's really important about finding the right lashes, you want those lashes to come off the strip super easy, super smooth, so that you don't have really any problems at all creating your lash fans. And your tweezers. One thing that I found with my tweezers, which I learned from another lash artist, was tweezers have to have great grip. I thought every tweezer had great grip, and that is so not true. The spot in your tweezers where you will grip your lashes to pull them off of your lash strip is called a sweet spot. If that is not really great with the grip, then you're gonna lose your fans, your lashes, before you even get to make a fan with them. Or when you pull your lashes off the strip, they won't come off smooth and even at the bottom. So let's get into how we make these volume and mega volume lash fans. The amount of lashes that you gather determines whether you're going to be creating a volume or a mega volume fan. So for this first fan, we're just going to create a regular volume fan. So I'm going to gather a few lashes, making sure that I secure them in the sweet spot of my tweezer. After you've done this, you want to pull towards you to make sure that the lashes come off the strips really easy and simple. There we go. All right, so after you've pulled the lashes from the strip, you want to pinch the bottom of the lashes, and while you pinch, you want to loosen your grip on the stem of the lashes. I'm a little ashy, y'all, it's okay. So we're pinching, loosening the grip where my thumb and index finger are, but still keeping the beak of the tweezers closed. As you can see, the lashes have fanned out. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna dip the lashes in our adhesive. I like to use a blooming ring cup to create my fans so that the bases are super thin and super snatched, and voila, volume lash fan. So I'm gonna do that again. Gather the amount of lashes that you want. Make sure that they're gripped in your sweet spot. Pull towards you, making sure that everything comes off flat and seamless. You're gonna pinch the bottom of the lashes while loosening your grip here on your tweezers, but not letting go of your grip on the beak of your tweezer. So we're gonna grip, pinch, loosen our grip up top so that those lashes fan out. Then we're gonna dip in the adhesive, use the blooming cup to thin them out, thin the base out, and there we go. Nice, neat, clean volume lash fan. All right, so now we're gonna create a mega volume lash fan using the same steps that we took to create a regular volume lash fan. The only difference is we're gonna gather a few more lashes in there to create a wider fan. So we gather our lashes in the sweet spot of our tweezers, gripping and pulling the tweezers toward you to create a seamless removal from the lash strip. After we do that, we're gonna pinch the base of the fan that we're creating while loosening our grip on the stem of the tweezer, but not letting the beak open. Fan that lash fan out, remove any stragglies. There we go. Now, swipe it through our adhesive, take it through your lash blooming cup, And now we have a nice, neat, clean, mega volume lash fan. We're gonna do it one more time. So, gather your lashes, grip in your sweet spot, pull towards you. Now, we're gonna pinch the base of the fan. I'm gonna move this. We're gonna pinch the base of the fan while loosening our grip on the stem of the tweezers, but not opening the beak. Taking that lash fan, dipping it in our adhesive. You can either use a surface that'll thin the base out or flatten all of the lashes together, or you can dip in your adhesive if you're using a blooming cup and slide it through that blooming cup to thin the base out. However best works for you. And now we have a perfect mega volume fan. Creating handmade volume fans is not the easiest thing, but it's not super hard either. What's most important is that you stay consistent and continue to practice your fans. Also, set realistic expectations for yourself. Every fan is not gonna come out super perfect. You don't have to count the hairs on your fan to measure out whether you're trying to make a volume or a mega volume lash fan. Trust your gut, trust your skill, trust your products, and make those fans. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes so that you can keep learning and keep growing. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next video.